Hello everybody. Here is a representation of my very low resolution thing about the test geometry, a shaderball that where I have deleted every attributes on the point level, vertex level, primitive level and detail level. After that I've deleted groups, all groups there were. Okay. And then I have scattered 50 points to it, and after that I have sourced those points to my popnet's first input, like here. Okay. And well, I changed here my emission type to points and geometry source to use first contact geometry, like that. There's my merge node, which I don't really need, so I can delete it. And there's my attract node and my pop int node. I let my pop object to be like it was when I created this network. In the attract node I changed the goal, which is the position, point position of I can say point of attraction, I think. And if I play this, I think you understand what I just said. Okay. So the test geometry is emitting points, and the null object representing this goal point set here is attracting, obviously, my points here. If I run this without my pop int, it's pretty straightforward, and with very low attraction multiplier here, the points are well, going, passing the point and then coming back. But with the wind effect I created some air resistance and noise with it, so the effect seems a bit, well, better or interesting, I think. I can change the attraction force here, force multiplier, and you can see the effect immediately. Now the points will gather almost immediately after they have reached the goal location there. Yeah. Okay. I hope you enjoyed my first English tutorial, and if you liked it, well, subscribe my channel. Yeah. Bye bye.